Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video we are going to take a look at these French sheer nudes from Vision Gel. These are 20 sheer gel polishes that work amazing for French manicures, for French fades. They are a beautiful, beautiful collection. So if this interests you, keep on watching. So there are 20 colors in this collection, and I just want to say right off the bat that I have played around with these for a bit. I've had them for a few months. There was just so many amazing new colors with the Luxe collection that came out that I reviewed in the winter that I wanted to save these for spring. Now that spring's here and I've used these on my clients more than I thought I would, I have to rave about these to you guys, because I will be honest, I wasn't sure about this collection, but I've fallen in love with this collection. So these are sheer. You can build them up in 3 coats if you want. You can just do 1 coat. It all depends on what the client wants. So there's a lot of versatility with this collection. And these French sheer nudes, like I said at the beginning of the video, are great for doing French manicures if you want that pink base on your nail. They are great for doing baby boomer nails, French fades. This is just a really versatile collection. And from what I understand, these are the same colors as the bottled builders in the bottled builder formula, but this is a gel polish formula, so it's a thinner viscosity, but the same colors. So I thought, what a great concept to have the bottled builders in a thinner viscosity for if you want to do it on natural nails or just a quick touch up for a fill, anything. So let's just start right away. This is the first one we're going to look at, is number 1. And this is a 30-second cure in an LED lamp. I'm not going to cure these, but I will show you all the colors at the end. There are 20 of them, so I don't want to be here forever. And neither do you guys, right? Right. So this here is a gorgeous cover pink. So it's a nice creamy consistency. It goes on nice and sheer. It self-levels. And again, these do not shrink or wrinkle. Shrink or wrinkle. Yeah, okay. I thought that was shrink or wrinkle. Yeah, we'll just stop at that at the beginning of the video, and I'm already getting tongue-tied. The first layer is going to be very sheer, very soft. And if you want more of a cover, more coverage, more opacity, you would cure this and put on a second coat. Okay, so that's 1 coat. This here is 3 coats, just to give you an idea. So number 2 is a really nice nude color, which I find in the 300 series and in the Luxe series. Neutrals and nudes are kind of lacking in those collections, but definitely make up for it in this collection here. So this is a nice taupe. And if you have a client that has gorgeous natural nails and they just want something really subtle on, you could put this on over top of their natural nail and create a really easy French fade just with this, no whites, because they've already got that perfect nail. So that's 1 coat, that's 3 coats. I would probably put 2 coats on. I have put 2 coats on. Rarely do I do 3 coats. It really, really depends on what the client wants and the look you're going for. Next color is number 3, and this is really a unique color. It's not really a taupe, it's not really a rose color. It's kind of in between. And there is number 3. It's got more brown tones in here than pink. Oh, it's got pink too. This is kind of a mix of everything, I think. Next one is number 4. So I think with this collection, you are going to find a shade that works for every skin tone. I find a lot of my younger clients are going for these sheer nude colors. So this is number 4. Again, 1 coat. This is 3 coats. Next color is number 5. This has got more of a peachy undertone, I think. Yeah, peach. Very, very light peach undertone. So here you can see the difference between 1 coat and 3 coats. Next color is number 6. And this to me looks like that traditional cover pink. That's my son. So it's got more of a rose look to it. Really light sheer rose color. So again, if you are looking for something with more color, more opacity, this is not the collection. These are just sheer nudes, okay? So again, this is number 6. Yeah, it's more on that light rosy peach tone. Next color is number 7. This is, I like this one. This is a deeper rose color, really a rose, kind of in between taupe and rose. I love how it self-levels. Okay, and here is number 7. Next color is number 8. This is a darker brown. Well, it's a light brown, kind of a beigey brown, but I think in the spectrum of what we're looking at here, it's one of the darker colors. That's a thick 1 layer. I would not put it on that thick on a client's nails, but kind of wanted you to see a little bit more color on the nail tip. So again, this is number 8. Okay, next one is number 9. This is a really nice rose color. This is stunning. Again, I would not put it on this thick in 1 coat. I would do 2 layers. But I really want you to see the color. Okay, and that is number 9. Okay, this is number 11. This is like a butterscotch color, or yeah, butterscotch. Caramel, so it's got more of an orange base. And the nail tip here is 3 layers. I'm not too sure what kind of skin tone this would look good on. It's probably not one of my favorite colors, but I guess it could be used for if you do some art. It would be great for shading for faces. Okay, number 12. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous pink. Beautiful, but it is very, very, very sheer. So this is not an opaque pink. It's a very sheer, but very gorgeous, gorgeous color. I've used this color a number of times this spring. Okay, number 13 is a peachier pink. This is a beautiful peach color. So very light, very soft, very spring, summer. And if you wanted to, you could put these colors over top of a white. That would give it a little bit more depth if you wanted. Next color is 14. And this is kind of like a caramel butterscotchy color. And there is number 14. It is very, very pretty. It's just not one that I have used at all yet. Okay, next color is number 15. And this is a nice, kind of a taupey, it's got more of a peach undertone, but it's like a deeper taupe. Like a peachy taupe, not a gray taupe. So that's 1 very thin layer. I'm just gonna put a little bit more on so you can see it. Okay, and there is number 15. So it's a gorgeous color just on its own. Next color is 16. So this is a nice deep cover pink, I would call it. And number 16. Okay, next color is number 17. And this is a really, really nice, not just a really nice, but a really, really nice taupe with a pink undertone. Okay, that's one thin layer, and then if you were to put another layer on really thinly, not like I'm doing it, okay? Don't put it on this thick. I just want you to see the color and the creaminess and how it self-levels. And there is number 17. Next color is 18, and this is a deeper, just more on the brown side, a deeper rose with a brown undertone. Okay, and there's number 18. Okay, next color is number 19. And this has got more on the orange or peach side. It's got more orange in it than it does pink. Or more rose. Rose is kind of pink, isn't it? It's just a really pretty color, guys. Okay, and there is number 19. Yeah, with 3 coats, you can kind of see the peach tones. Very pretty. Okay, last color we're gonna look at is number 20, and I have to say this is probably the most used one out of this collection. And it is a really nice peachy pink. And there is number 20. Very pretty, very light, very subtle. So perfect for those clients that just want a hint of color. Okay, let's recap. So, who can tell me what I missed in this video? Obviously, Carrie cannot count, nor can she see. Did you notice that I went from 9 to 11 and completely missed number 10? Okay, so let's take a look at number 10. And this is like a deep, deep caramel color. Okay, I'm gonna really try hard not to laugh because I'm sure all of you guys are laughing for me. So this is a very deep cover pink on the rose caramelly side. I think great for that darker skin tone. So there you go. There is number 10. This is actually a very pretty color. Great for a darker skin tone if you were doing a French manicure, or even any skin tone if you were just doing a full coverage nail. So it's very pretty. It's got a hint of rose to it. So there you go. There's number 10. Okay, back to our regular programming. Okay, so there are the 20 colors from the French Sheer Nude collection. And again, I'm going to repeat this again because I know I'm going to see comments of these are too light and they'd be forever to get an opaque coverage. These are not meant for an opaque coverage. These are sheer. If you want to see a little bit of color, you're going to have to put 3 thin layers on. Okay, so I'm just going to try to get in nice and close so you can take a look at the colors. I don't know if you can tell on camera, each color is different. Each color is a shade different from the next, okay? So they aren't similar. If you saw a couple colors that looked similar, they're not. And that is all these colors. So tell me what you think of this collection. Is it something you would use on your clients? Like I said at the beginning of the video, I didn't think I would use these, but I am surprised at how my clients have gravitated towards these lighter, sheer colors. And I was pleased with it. They're so easy to use. The application is really, really easy. You're not fighting with it. You're not chasing the gel. And once you get it sunk into your head like I had to, that it's not an opaque color, that it is going to go on sheer, you kind of get rid of that stress of trying to get a nice opaque pink or rose or taupe color, right? So I'm kind of unsure with these 2 colors here, this one and this one. So that's number 14 and 11. I'm a little unsure with those 2 colors. They are a shade off from each other. I haven't grabbed them, haven't used them, so I'd be curious when that first client does pick those colors, their skin tone and how it will look. So that will be kind of exciting too. So that is about it for this collection. It's great for spring. Again, great for doing French manicures. So if your client wants a bit of color on their natural nail with a white tip, these are perfect perfect for that. So yeah, what are my favorite colors that I am wearing? I'm wearing number 5. Number 12 is a favorite, and I really like this one here, number 17. It's kind of really nice rose taupe color. And I'm even liking number 2, which is this one. So I would think those are my picks. So again, yeah, tell me what you think. If you have any questions, please comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on all my social media, Facebook and Instagram, at Elite Nails by Carrie. And stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to show you some sets of nails that I did with this collection. That is it, and we will see you in the next video. Bye guys. Just before you leave, just a side note that don't forget to use my coupon code if you go to the visiongel.ca website. You can use my coupon code to get 10% off of $100 or more. So if you haven't used it yet, feel free to use it and get a discount on your purchase. And you also get free shipping over $95. I know I haven't mentioned my coupon code in a while, but it is still there for you guys to use, so please feel free to use that when you make a purchase.